Hey everybody, this is Josh and Autumn from Adventure Rhoades. You guys know us. We tend to get around, we tend to do a lot of videos on about everything because we just love to live life. So today we have a 1965 Mustang behind us. I'm gonna let Autumn share a little bit about that and the channel that this is behind.
Okay, so we're giving a shout out today for Scott's Montana Adventures. He is doing a resto mod for a 1965 Mustang. He has one video out already from when he got the Mustang and kind of the shell of the vehicle and some of the stuff that went into it. I know there's another part coming or two parts coming. So we want you to go check out his channel, give him some love. You know, he's got some other amazing videos, like a CF Moto video, a boat latch video. I mean, he's very mechanically minded. He used to be a crew chief in the Air Force. So we're kind of giving him a shout out today.
Full career.
Full career. So
he took this from the rubbish to where it's refined now. They're not finished, but it will get there, and they're moving along very quickly. But
it's a beautiful Caspian blue. It's like an original 1965 color. They literally, every piece of this vehicle has been touched, purchased. Even the cool windows, like the old school windows,
your
you know, that you
mom's made
open
the
up.
list.
Yep. So they've kept track of everything. They have a timeline. I've had a lot of people here. The engine even fired up. So there's videos to come on it, but we want you to go check out his first video. Give him some love. You know, he's trying to grow his YouTube channel, and we think it's great.
It's Scott's Montana Adventures, and that's Scott's Montana Adventures. We'll put the link in our description. Go over there, make a comment, check out this resto mod. It's a beautiful 1965. It's not completely finished, but they've come a long ways, and you can kind of see the hard work involved.
And some of our YouTube channel might be wondering where we are. We are in
Montana.
So we've been on the go this week. We've had an important memorial service earlier this week, visiting with my grandpa down in Arizona. Yes, Arizona and Montana is where we've been. Josh came to be part of that, to be there for me, and so that was a good thing. And yeah, we're on the move, and we just thought, why not give a shout out? So shout out.
Yep. So thanks for watching, Josh and Autumn, Adventure Rhoades, and put any comments below, but go check out Scott's Montana Adventures. And if you got any mechanical questions, he's very in tune with a lot of mechanics and stuff like that. So thank you for watching. Create your own story and have a great day.